Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to A/B test campaigns in Klaviyo. This is a powerful way to optimize your email marketing by testing different versions of your campaigns to see which one performs better with your audience. Before we dive in, if you want to streamline your workflow and save money on subscriptions, check out the link in my description. Let's get started. First, open your browser and navigate to klaviyo.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. This will take you to your Klaviyo dashboard where you can manage all your email marketing activities. Once you're on the dashboard, look to the left side of your screen and click on Campaigns. This section houses all your email campaigns, both past and upcoming, and it's where you'll set up your A/B test. After clicking Campaigns, you'll see a list of all your existing campaigns. From this list, click on the campaign you want to A/B test. Make sure you select a campaign that you believe has room for optimization, whether that's improving open rates or click rates. This will open up the campaign details and give you access to all the editing options. Now, at the top of the screen, click the middle line to go to Message. This is where you can edit the actual content of your campaign and set up variations for testing. It's essentially the heart of your campaign where all the creative work happens. On the right side of the screen, click Create A/B Test. This action will enable the A/B testing feature for your campaign, allowing you to create multiple variations to test against each other. Once you click this, you'll immediately see the interface change to accommodate your test setup. You'll now see two variations displayed, Variation A and Variation B. These are the two versions of your campaign that will be tested against each other. You can edit either variation to make them different, whether that's changing the subject line, the email copy, images, or call to action buttons. After you've edited your variations, scroll down to the bottom where you can see Content Test Settings. This section is crucial because it determines how your test will be measured and distributed. Here you can configure the specific parameters that will define your test's success. Inside Content Test Settings, you'll see Winning Metric. This is where you decide what success looks like for your test. You can choose between open rate or click rate depending on what you want to optimize for. If you're focused on getting more people to open your emails, choose open rate. If you want more engagement with your content, choose click rate. Below that, you'll also see size distribution. Inside that section, you can see test size and adjust the percentage on it. This determines what portion of your audience will receive the test variations versus the winning version. For example, you might send variation A to 20%, variation B to 20%, and then send the winning version to the remaining 60%. You can also click the toggle button on track links separately in each variation. Enabling this option allows you to see detailed analytics for each variation, giving you deeper insights into how each version performs with different link clicks. Once you're done configuring all these settings, click Next. This will save your A/B test configuration and prepare your campaign for sending. Klaviyo will automatically determine the winner based on your chosen metric and send the winning version to the rest of your audience. And that's it. You've successfully set up an A/B test for your Klaviyo campaign, which will help you make data-driven decisions and improve your email marketing performance over time. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.